stop using, for example, in your writing. Today's smart connector is, to illustrate, use it like a pro. Meaning, used to give examples or evidence in a formal way.
For example, की जगह आप to illustrate लिख सकते हो for advanced writing.
Let's see the task 1 example. Without connector, internet usage increased in India by 12% in 2023. Now with connector, internet usage increased globally. To illustrate, the number of users in India grew by 12% in 2023. Let's see how we can give examples in task 2 with advanced connectors. Sentence with connector. Many cities face traffic problems due to the increasing number of vehicles. To illustrate, in Mumbai, the average daily commute time increased by 25% over the last 5 years.
अगर वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी हो, लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करो